If you have been keeping up with us on Good eReaders YouTube, you will see that we have been covering some FACENOTE products. Well, here is another one. This is the FACENOTE N1. This is their first crack at a 10.3-inch note-taking tablet that is running an e-ink screen. Something you might notice, though, if you have seen some of our other videos, is that this looks suspiciously like the iReader Smart 2. Let's crack it open and see what we can see. Now, FACENOTE isn't trying to kid themselves. They very well know that they are a white label company. They white labeled the Hisense product for their phone and what looks like the iReader product for their tablet attempt. It does look like the exact same thing, but we'll save this till the end like we usually do with our products. Let's leave it right here. Now this time, all of the documentation and the back of the box does say FACENOTE. It doesn't actually say iReader on here, but a telltale sign will be this stylus. I've never actually opened it yet. So this is the USB, and it is running USB-C, and there should be a stylus located somewhere in here, and it looks like there isn't. This whole thing is glued down, completely glued down, and if I pull it any harder it's going to rip. So when we do crack this open, we will try to see if there is indeed a Wacom or EMR layer, which is electromagnetic resonance. That means, well, the note-taking layer. Here's the USB cable. So moving over to the unit itself, it does suspiciously look like the iReader. In fact, it's identical in the entire build quality. The two-tone side, the orange button at the top. iReader is synonymous with having an orange button. They had it on the C6, they had it on the iReader 1 and 2, and we do see FACENOTE on the back. This is lasered in there. It's not embossed and it's not risen. It's right in there. They do have some cert stamps and it is covering something. It says made in China right there. And you have a speaker on the side with a Torx screw and the USB port down on the bottom left corner. Let's do a first time startup. If they did not change anything, this should logistically work with a bunch of Wacom pens. Just before we wrap up, we're going to bring in the most basic Wacom pen on the right and a Remarkable pen on the left. These things work on everything. So I'm going to go over here, and it looks like we have some applications. I'm going to try this pen. If this doesn't work on it, it doesn't have a note-taking layer, both positive and negative. And on this side, it doesn't as well. So it looks like they either disabled the touch layer when it came to the Wacom/EMR, or they just got rid of it altogether. We do have a little ball here as well, which is very Onyx-y. We're going to do some deep dives on this and see what we can see. Does it really have touch? We actually don't know. But for now, this is everything that comes in the box with the brand new FACENOTE N1. Their first true stab at a 10.3-inch device. Stay tuned for the full review on goodereader.com and youtube.com/goodereader. For goodereader.com, this is Peter.